Hi everyone, I will show you how to add voiceover on TikTok. First of all, you need to go to your TikTok app, then tap the plus button in the bottom, tap to upload option, then select any video. Now go to your edit option and tap to sound and go to voiceover. Now you need to tap and hold the voice option, and when you are done, then tap the done button in the bottom and tap to save option on the top. Now the voiceover will be applied on your video. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.